Happy Tuesday. This is Dr. Mike McCall, Source Health Center. Hey, I want to talk about heart rates. I found this work by this guy named, what's his name? Phil Maffetone. He wrote a book called Fitness versus Health. And what he was he's one of the winningest endurance coaches ever. And what he found is a lot of his athletes, as they started increasing their training, would get an injury. Could have been an ankle, a knee, a shoulder. They would have to rest up, it would recover, but then as they started to progress again, they would have pain or some other injury would happen. So what he figured out is that you can train your heart to be more efficient if you find it in a certain zone. His zone is different from any other zone I've ever read about, but it's been very tremendous for some of my athletes who basically take their bodies a little bit too far without slowing down and letting the body actually get to a point where it can operate at that level. And one of the key concepts that he brought up that I think is pretty brilliant is that people can be healthy and they can be fit. A fit person, how he defines it, is someone who can perform at high levels, but their body may not be healthy. So it's sometimes a lot of these, especially endurance athletes, as they start training harder and harder, they may get sick. Sometimes they get a really bad flu that they can't recover. Or some type of other sickness that everybody's having a hard time figuring out what's going on. So it is one of the handouts that I give. And the other part is you don't necessarily have to be an athlete to actually benefit from this, because if you can find your right heart rate as you exercise, you won't overtrain, you won't hurt yourself, but at the same time what happens is you can train your body to become more efficient, especially with dropping oxygen into cells. But the other part is that it trains your body to utilize oxygen more efficiently. When you utilize oxygen more efficiently, you feel more calm, but more important is it allows your body actually to burn fat, because your cells need oxygen and fat to make fuel. If they don't get oxygen, they want sugar, and we all know what sugar can do to you. If you don't know what sugar can do to you, then please read books. Anyway, heart rate is a very important thing. So that's your topic Tuesday for today. Look forward to hearing any kind of great compliments on this.